Hello, word enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, we're going to explore a word that's both simple and versatile, a word that can describe everything from the weather to your favorite pair of shoes. Our word of the day is cool. Cool is an A1 level adjective, meaning slightly cold. Think of a refreshing breeze on a warm day. That's cool. Now, let's break down what cool really means. At its core, cool describes a temperature that is moderately cold, but not freezing. It's that comfortable chill you feel when you step into an air-conditioned room on a hot summer afternoon. But cool isn't just about temperature. It's also used to describe something that is fashionable, impressive, or generally agreeable. For now, though, we'll focus on the temperature aspect. So, what are some other words we can use in place of cool? Let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for cool is chilly. For example, the evening air was chilly, so I put on a jacket. Another similar word is crisp. You could say, a crisp breeze rustled through the autumn leaves. And a third synonym is fresh. We can say, the fresh mountain air invigorated me. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the spectrum and look at some antonyms for cool. The direct opposite of cool in terms of temperature would be warm. For example, the sun felt warm on my skin. Another antonym is hot. The coffee was too hot to drink immediately. And finally, boiling can also be considered an antonym. For instance, the water was boiling on the stove. So how can we use cool in everyday life? Well, you might say, it's a cool day today, perfect for a walk in the park. Or, I prefer cool weather to hot weather. You might also describe a drink as cool. This lemonade is so cool and refreshing. Let's look at some more usage examples of cool in sentences and phrases. The cool water felt wonderful on my sunburn. She placed a cool compress on her forehead. The cool morning air was a welcome change from the heat of the day. Keep the milk in a cool place. A cool shower helped me to relax. So, to recap, cool is an A1 level adjective that means slightly cold. We learned some synonyms like chilly, crisp, and fresh. We also explored antonyms like warm, hot, and boiling. And we saw how cool is used in various everyday situations. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you found our exploration of the word cool to be informative and enjoyable. Your support means the world to me, and it helps others discover our show. Please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review on your favorite podcast platform. It really makes a difference. Now, for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cool and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying hello word.